Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Now listen. You need to find out what is T1 and what is T2. What is T1 and T2? So now, when the string is taut, T-A. What is this? Taut. Means stiff. When the yeah. Now, when the string is taut, then what happens? Think that the whole mass will be only one, a single mass. How much is the mass now? 2 plus 3 plus 5. 10 kg, right? And the force is how much? 10 newtons. Yeah. F equal to ma. A equal to F by m. A equal to 10 by 10. How much? 1 meter per second. This is the first part. This type of questions, acceleration and tension you need to calculate. Is that clear? The condition is given that the string is taut, means stiff at that time. Next one, I want to find out the tension. So what I am doing, I am taking one force, one mass at one time, not all at once. So suppose if I am taking the first one, example I am taking the first one. This is the force 10 newtons, and this is A1, and this is mg. This is 2 into 10, 20 newtons. This one is what? Normal reaction. Is that clear?
Yep.
Is it clear?
Yep.
So what will happen now? A, right? This is the acceleration. So T1 minus 10 is equal to ma, 2 into A, right?
Yeah.
So T1 minus 10 is equal to 2 into A is 2. Is it clear, Huda? What did I say? What did I say? Wait. They in the boys they are getting nicely. Nice every day they get time. Not from me, they have to, I will instruct the other one. So what did I say now? Now you see, once again. This is the body. I have taken this at one time. Only one system. The first part what we did, the string is taut. So string means wire. The wire connected to all of them, or the rope, whatever it is taut means stiff. When you pull it, if you look at the trains, the cars of the train, the bogies of the train, between them there will be some wire or there will be some springs. So that is very taut, stiff. That is the reason it carries. Understood? They are in tension. Now, what we did, the whole mass is taken together, and this is 10 newtons. So use the formula, find out the acceleration. First part. Second part, we are taking one at one time, one mass at one time. So what happened when I take this? When I take this 2, 10 newtons, T1, 20 newtons, and N is acting upwards. So what I have to do now here, because I have to give, we have to do this one or this one, top priority. 10 minus T1 is equal to ma. 2 into A. Why I am writing 10 before? Why not T1?
Because the acceleration.
Yeah, the acceleration is in the direction of 10 newtons. So that is given more priority. Understood now?
Yes.
That's the reason. T1 equal to solve. It is equal to that is equation number 1. Or T1 is equal to how much? 8 newtons. Is it not? Bring this 2 on this side. Plus will become minus 8 newtons. Clear?
Yes.
Second part, we will take this fellow. So in this second part, 3 kg, and this is 3 into 10, 30, and this is normal reaction. This is the tension T1, and this is tension T2. Okay? Clear? But acceleration is acting this way. So what will happen? T1 minus T2 is equal to ma. 3 into 1, 3. Clear? But what is T1? 8. 8 minus T2 equal to how much? 3. So T2 equal to how much?
10.
5. This will come here, this will go there. 5 newton. Is it clear now? Girls.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to cross verify whether this is correct or not, what we will do? I want to cross check whether this is correct or not. My answers are right or not.
Then put
Check with the
T1 minus T2 equal to.
check with the third one. Third one.
Oh, yeah, then you can find T2 for both.
Yeah, no, see here, this is T2 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Acceleration is here. This is how much? 5. Yeah?
Yeah, 5.
So T2 equal to how much? ma, right?
Yeah.
F is equal to ma. 5 into A. What is T2? 5 into 1, 5 Newton. Is it not the same?
Yes, sir.
This is how you need to cross verify. We can cross verify whether your answer is correct or wrong. Understood now? Yeah. Copy this. Understood? There are so many questions. Pre-body diagram questions. There are so many. Plenty. Yes, I need to have peaceful time with you. Then I can read so much. No, I will. I told already. No, today was also meeting. I didn't go. Yeah, yesterday also there was a meeting. Today, tomorrow. I just kept quiet. That's we both are having meeting today. Yeah. Now, see the next year. The 9.1 example 9.1. Then we'll try to finish off this question. Okay. Then 9.1 he says a structural steel rod has a radius of. The rod has a radius. The radius is equal to 10 millimeters. Did you do this? Did you do this? Okay. Then we will do the next question. Did we do 9.5 the average depth of Indian Ocean?
No.
Okay, this question is something related to Ocean Gate. Ocean Gate.
The summary.
It got included in the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah. So there is an average depth of the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is how much? The average depth is around 3,000 meters. Okay, 3 kilometers. Okay. So what happens? Calculate the fractional compression delta V. So what will happen? Here the pressure is acting. That is what PA, which is equal to P naught. What is PA? Atmospheric pressure. There is a pressure exerted on you, me, every time. There is a suffix A or suffix O. This is studied in chemistry. Chemistry also you studied. What is that? You know, STP or NTP. Standard temperature. What is the standard temperature? Can you tell me? How much it is? 276. 273 Kelvin and pressure on 1 atm or 1 bar. 1 bar. Yeah, 1 bar and 1 atm is same. 1 bar or 1 atm is same.
22.4.
Okay, and 22.4. 22.4 that is degree centigrade. Sorry, liters. Right? 22. Remember this one.
295. 295. Kelvin. 295.
No, NTP is what is NTP?
Normal temperature.
Or the natural temperature. The normal. How much it is normally here? How much? 25. 25 is the normal. So add 273 that becomes how much? 298 Kelvin. 298. Yeah. 298 Kelvin. And 1 bar. And again, how much it is? 27 or 22? Okay, just look at the chemistry book. Chemistry first lesson. It is there. It is given there. Okay, anyway. Okay, come back. Okay, later on you can. Now, STP and NTP values are. Now, my here, what I want to explain here is there are so many gases present in the atmosphere. These gases exert pressure on the surface of the earth. Because of that only we are able to breathe properly. Well, if the pressure is low, what will happen? We will not be able to breathe. Why? Because our lungs can expand too much. They contract legs, they expand too much. So that is why when you go like in parachute and all, when you go in the sky, what will happen? You have to wear that suit. Otherwise, our lungs will expand too much and they will contract less. When you go deep in the water, what will happen? It get compressed. So for the touch or whatever. So because of that, you need to wear the scuba diver.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the reason. So that is why. So here he says the temperature. There are two. He's asking the water. The density of water is how much? 1,000. Density of water how much? 1,000 kg per meter cube, right? 1,000 kg per meter cube. That is the density. That is the density of water. But Due to the pressure of the water of the whole height, do you think the same, the pressure, the density of or the pressure will be same here? No, because the height is this much, so then the pressure is there. There will be some extra pressure here. That is said to be gauge pressure. Gauge pressure. Okay.
But
Gauge.
something
Only because of the water. But if you add it, the total pressure here is how much? P is equal to P naught plus PG. Total pressure is this much. Acting on the water which is at the bottom the surface of the. Understood now? So that is very difficult. If suppose some ships or aeroplane or something goes deep to the sea, what do you call it? Seabed, it's very difficult to pull it out. Why? Lot of pressure is there's lot of pressure on that one. Very difficult to pull it out. Or either otherwise you have to break it into pieces. You have to break it into pieces. That ship or whatever it is, break it into pieces and bring it up to the surface of the ocean. That is the problem. Now, suppose if you really want to study about the ocean and all, Sweden is the best country. Sweden and one more country, what is that? Norway.
Right?
Norway. These are the countries what we know.
They promise
Very nice. If you really want to study it. Okay, let's come back to the topic. Now, according to the numerical, he says fractional, what he said, calculate the fractional compression. Compression means the volume here. So delta V by V. What is that? V2 minus V1 by V. Now what he said at water bottom of the ocean, given that the bulk modulus of the water. He said the bulk modulus is how much? 2.2 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square. Okay, the gravity is how much? 10 meter per second square. Gravity is 10 meter per second square. Clear? Now, what is the formula for bulk modulus?
minus B,
Yeah,
delta Newton.
B is equal to minus P by delta V by V. Okay, this is the formula. But what is pressure? Pressure is equal to rho G x. Okay, so pressure is equal to how much? The pressure at this point. P is equal to 1000 into gravity is 10 into height is how much? 3000. Okay, so P is equal to how much? 3 into 1. Understood now?
Okay.
This much is the pressure. Now I want to find out this value, right? So what I'm going to do, cross multiply delta V by V equal to minus P by V. Or don't write minus. Just so 3 into 10 to the power of 7 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of 2.2 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay, into 10 to the power of. You get the answer. Then you get the answer for this. Okay.
So like 1 point.
So answer is 1.36 into 1.36 into 10 to the power of minus 5. That is how much fractional distribution. If you multiply with 100, then you get the percentage. So 1.36 percent. Okay. The 100, right? 1% is not required. Only he's asking the ratio. Is that clear? Please, what's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of fractional change in volume? Physical meaning. Fractional change in the volume is 1.36. What is the meaning? Suppose this much, listen. This much is the volume occupied by 1 liter of water. Example, listen. Suppose this much is the volume occupied by the water for 1 liter. On the surface of the water, on the surface of the ocean. The same, when you go deep into the water, it will be reduced by how much? 1% or 1.6.
After certain depth, it changes this much.
The volume, that means the water molecules come closer and closer because of the pressure of the water. That difference is this much only. Understood now?
Yes, yes.
Got it now? Something it went very deep. They were trying to go towards the Titanic.
Yeah.
But very close to the Titanic, they want to see the Titanic. Okay.
Yeah, they are successful.
See what happens in the submarine, I will tell you. The submarine, everything was okay. What happens in the submarine is they are not all trained divers. Trained is those who very well know about the science of that or the engineering of that. What is that called? Submarine. Because the people who work here in the Navy and all, they know very well how it works and all. because there is air column. One part, around 70% of the submarine is completely air filled. Only 30% is the cabin, not even 30%. Very small cabin, and the remaining is completely air. So if you want to go in the water, you have to open the lid. Water will go inside and it slowly sink in the water. But if it has to come out, then it slowly starts pushing the water out. Then what happens? Air column will be produced and then it will come.
Yeah.
That is how it works. That part, that system went failed actually in the process. Because of that it got employed. Understood? So because they were not trained how to balance, I mean, actually there is an angle also when it is going, it cannot go as you like. It's not like a butter plane. It has to go in the same way down, it has to come up.
Yeah.
You have to take the angles and all, it makes a difference.
That mainly that's what they know the mistake those 27 successful audit.
Small submarine, small submarine. You cannot say big submarine. Small
Will the pressure be over the force per area?
Okay, shall we go to the next question? Where were you?
Mass by volume.
What do you want?
Density.
Density is equal to density of water is how much? 1000.
That's what how did we do?
That's standard value. That is a standard value. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. I will just drink. Now, see, there is a numerical here. Exercise first question. It says that there is a steel wire. The steel wire is how much? Length of the steel wire is 4.7 meters. And cross sectional area. Area of the steel wire is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of -5 square meter. Strengthened by the same amount of as a copper wire is delta L. Okay, delta LS and delta LC both are equal.
Okay.
C for copper, S for steel. Now the length of the copper wire is how much? 3.5 meters. And cross sectional area of the copper wire is equal to
4 into 10 raised to -5.
-5 meter, a square meter. So under given load, what is the Young's modulus ratio of Young's modulus of steel to Young's modulus of copper? He is asking this fact. Is that clear? Is the question clear? Now there are two steel wires. Extension is same. Suppose maybe the first steel. This is the steel wire, which is less. Cross section area is less, and the other one is what? Bigger one. Understood now? Is that clear? So this is one is steel and the other one is copper. Okay. That's clear. Which is more area. Now, if you want to find out this, what is the formula of Young's modulus?
F into L by A into delta L.
I know that SAS people are very, very smart. I know. Yeah.
This is going on YouTube.
It's okay. What did I say now? Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, what's the formula? Young's modulus. So y Young's modulus is equal to F into L by A into delta. Now, Young's modulus of steel. Okay, he has steel by Young's modulus of copper. Steel is how much? Force, same load, right?
Yes, sir.
That one thing.
So F is cancelled.
LS by AS into delta. That is same, right?
Yes.
That is same. That is delta. Will not change. It's not that. F into LC divided by AC into delta. F goes away. Go away. What are you writing, madam? Focus here. F IS by YC equal to LS by AS into LC into AC. Understood now? Now YS by YC equal to LS is how much? Length of steel is 4.5. Area of copper is how much? 4 into 10 to the power of
Sir,
-5.
sir, what is big division?
L by AS. LC will come here and this will go up, right? See A by B divided by C by D. What is that? A into D by B into C, right? If it is A by B by C, what it will be the answer?
A by B.
A by B. A into C. A into C by B.
A into C, right? Because we are taking as one. Nothing is there, we are taking. Suppose if it is A by B by C. A by B. Okay, please note down somewhere so that you won't confuse me. Even math will make mistakes. If it is A by BC, if it is A by BC, this is written as A by 1 B by C is equal to AC by. Understood now?
Oh wait, I got it. Oh, okay. Got it. Got it.
What is it? It's correct, right? Yeah, now, next here, what is it? Area of steel here? 3 into 10 to the power of -5. And length of copper is how much? 3.5. We will solve it. This and this fellow will go away.
So it's 7. Oh no.
Can I make it? See, I'm not going to.
So 4.7. Not 4.7.
Oh, okay. 4.7. 4.7 into 4 divided by 3 into. Okay. So now, see, I'm making it little simple. I'm not going with points and all. See how I make it. 47 into 4 divided by, see here, 1 point removed, 1 point removed. Balanced. 3 into 35. Can I do it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, I think this will become 6.
Yeah, multiply into 10
How much it
by
will be?
4.
Now divide it.
So you get 1 or something.
Yeah, 4, see, 47 into 4, how much?
You can multiply it into 10 both sides.
Yeah. Take it separate, no problem. 47 into 4, how much? 170.
What's it? 187.
180 divided by
188 divided by 105.
5 into 3, 105. Wait, 105. You
Wait,
get
105, 110.
105. So therefore,
70.
180.
Oh, yeah,
How much it will be answer?
You get some 1.7.
I think this will be easy for you.
1.7.
Instead of going points, 105, 180. 1 times 105, 3, 8.0. How many times?
1.79.
6 times. Okay. So 105 into 6, 5, 30, 3, 6, 1, 5, 30. But yeah,
So try with
not 6.
7.
No. 7 5 is 35. 8 also will go ahead,
8 also might
No,
go.
no.
8, 7.
7 1 7 5 3 5 7. That is max because already
Yeah.
so 0.7 1.7 is the answer.
So I got 1.79. Is that okay?
Okay, 1 point. It's a ratio, no units. Okay, is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir. So it's 1.79 is to 1, right? Ratio, right?
Yeah. What? I didn't get it.
No, I'm just saying. It will be like ratio like this, right? Ratio like this. See.
Yeah,
I'm
we
just
can
saying.
1 is free and right now,
Yes, I'm just saying.
Okay, I'll write this there.
Yeah.
Sir, you have to write that.
No, sir, I asked for my own curiosity.
No. Huh?
Hmm?
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next?
Next question,
Why not?
graph. Next is graph. Exercise question, first question.